Hello everyone. Today we have with us Dr. Sarita Ahlawat. We'll be having a one-to-one with her for our next video in our series, in entrepreneurship series. So, Dr. Sarita, please enlighten us more about yourself and your startup.
Okay. All right. So I'm Sarita. I work on few ideas, and so one of my idea. So I'll kind of say in chronological order. So one of my ideas is science communication. I take science communication very seriously. So as we were discussing before, I feel in India we don't tend to enjoy what we do, especially in science field.
Yeah.
It becomes like a rat race. या 12वीं करो JEE करो job करो without asking what is it exactly I like. And then the second part I felt कि in science we don't even know who are good scientists in India.
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि who is a good biologist or a computer scientist or an engineer, you won't be able to name one. And जो नाम आपके दिमाग में आएंगे वो गोरो वाले नाम आएंगे. So ये मेरे को बहुत disturbing लगा कि is it true that in India we don't do good science, that students cannot name one. तो इसलिए हमने लिविंग साइंस स्टार्ट किया. दैट वाज 5 years बैक व्हेन आई हैड
Yeah.
जस्ट कम बैक फ्रॉम यूएस. And the idea being to celebrate Indian science and talk about Indian science and know what's happening in Indian science on the right side.
Yeah.
And at that time I was also working on cancer diagnosis and using 3D imaging for cancer diagnosis. And somewhere between what happened, that my friends who works on drones and they have a bot lab, they and us, I used to run with them. And in 2017 air pollution was as bad as today.
Yeah.
So today if you look at the numbers, they're 600 and above. 600 is beyond hazardous. Like it's really not
Yeah.
safe. We all should not be sitting here. प्यूरिफायर लगा के घर में बैठना चाहिए. एंड तब आई रैन हाफ मैराथन. एक दिल्ली एयरटेल
Oh.
हाफ मैराथन
Yeah.
होती है ना, very miss timely place. बहुत enthusiastically I ran. I finished, and after running I got very sick. For a
Oh.
whole month I could not talk. My whole throat was hurting and I was sounding like a very bad voice. So then it made me think,
Yeah.
कि I'm a scientist. I ran in this pollution. How stupid I am. I guess I was not paying attention. And then I realized if I'm not paying attention, a lot of people are not paying attention. At that time, uh, like me, so many people were running in the ground, and
Yeah.
students were running, and it kind of I got into very panic. कि what is happening? And there was not even a single monitor in IIT campus, and still there isn't.
Yeah.
So तब मैंने ऐसे ना कुछ पर्सनल रेजोल्यूशन कर लिया कि I have to do something. My life would not mean anything if I am not acting. I'm a biologist. I study cancer, and I know air pollution causes cancer. And how come I'm not contributing?
Yes.
तो हमने और my friends who are building drones, so they built this device छोटा सा which can monitor air quality. And that's how another venture got started, that we took air pollution. And then initially we were just interested in measuring around the campus. तो हमने बहुत few months we just took these readings कि हर जगह पे.
Yeah.
And then we found of course there was disparity कि रोड पे ज़्यादा है, घर में कम है, बाहर प्लेग्राउंड में थोड़ा in between है. And if you close the rooms and put air purifier, it gets even better. So then I thought यार अभी this needs to be taken further. And since we have already put few months, तो हमने 2018 में ऐसे स्टार्ट, like 3-4 months we were just doing it for fun.
Yeah.
तो हमने ऐसे फॉर फन स्टार्ट किया, एंड देन सोचा कि स्टार्टअप बना देते हैं, बिकॉज वी नीड टू हायर पीपल, गेट मनी. सो तो अनऑर्गेनाइज मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Mm-hmm.
So few of us came together and built a startup, which is in IIT Delhi, and which I'm going to mostly talk about today,
Yeah.
because it's high pollution and all. And I convinced IIT. I went to director and Bala and said, "Ki sir, we need to do something about this. We need to create a network of this low-cost air pollution monitoring devices
Yeah.
around IIT campus, and maybe with the app we could see the local air quality." And Bala got very convinced and he supported us, and so did the director. So one of our project is that. तो दिल्ली का वेदर ऐसे है कि यहाँ पे प्रिडोमिनेंट पोल्यूटेंट इज PM 2.5. एंड नाउ लॉट ऑफ टाइम पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि PM 2.5 है ही क्या. कि दे जस्ट दिख तो नहीं रहा है. यार दिखेगा कैसे? वो आपके बाल से भी 1/5 है. इट्स वेरी स्मॉल. एंड PM 2.5 के नीचे भी 1.1 भी हैं, विच आर वेरी डेंजरस. दे स्टे इन योर लंग्स. And Aditya was mentioning कि some people have this misunderstanding, you can get strong कि आप जितने पोल्यूशन में दौड़ोगे बहुत हो जाएगा, आपकी इम्यूनिटी बढ़
Yeah.
जाएगी. Quite the contrary. Evolutionarily, our body has not evolved to handle air pollution. 100 years में भी नहीं होंगे आप. तो दूसरा ये है कि the nature of our body is such, if you inhale these pollutants, they're going to stay in your lungs and they're going to stay as long as you're on this planet Earth.
Yeah.
They're going to die with you. So that's why it's dangerous. एक बार आपके lungs काले होने शुरू हो गए ना, they're not going to live. And each time you inhale bad air, you're inhaling in 600, 700. And each time you do this process, proportionately lung capacity कम होती रहती है. तो you will not be able to breathe as much. फिर of course oxygen कम हो जाएगी. And that's why you have stroke and heart disease, nausea, बहुत सारे बीमारी हैं. And then your life expectancy will go down. So this is very kind of serious, and that's what we're engaged in.
So, how did the IT Delhi administration and IT Delhi academicians help you while fostering up the startup?
So the IIT ecosystem kind of helps that way, and students too. So I know a lot of students, and I say, in summer, can you help me with that? But there is no structure per se.
Yeah.
So IIT has an incubation center that's called TBIO, and it's in Synergy Building. So IIT helps you with finding a place. So you get a space to do your stuff, and IIT also helps you file IP and all that.
Yeah.
Because what happens, especially students when they start a startup, they do not have much bandwidth in terms of resources. कहाँ से आएंगे यार? या तो आप जॉब कर लो, जॉब में चले गए तो आप you're going too far. It's very difficult to come back.
Yes.
And if you start as a student entrepreneur, finding resources initially can be challenge.
Yeah.
Or if you're doing hardware, it's very expensive. ड्रोन बना रहे हो, डिवाइस बना रहे हो, 15-20 लाख तो ऐसे ही खर्च हो जाते हैं.
Yes.
सो कोई सीड फंडिंग उतना इजीली मिलता नहीं. यू स्पेंड क्वाइट अ बिट टाइम. द फंडिंग इज अ वेरी बिग क्रंच वेयर IITs मे बी कैन गेट स्टार्टअप स्टार्टेड कि आपको 5 लाख रुपए दे दिए टिल यू फिगर इट आउट.
Yes.
तो ऐसा कुछ प्रोविजन होना चाहिए कि 5-10 लाख रुपए मिलने चाहिए बच्चों को, एनीबडी हु इज इंटरेस्टेड, कि आप स्टार्ट हो जाओ and progress based way, and then you can get funding or VC funding on your own.
So there's a need of improving the environment of fostering.
Very much. So we are not even there yet. So one thing has changed right in front of me in last 5 years. It has definitely become much better. But the kind of respect an entrepreneur needs in India is still not there. The kind of risk the entrepreneur has to bear on his own. कि आपकी मुसीबत है, आप फेल हुए आप हो, सही हो गए तो आप बंसल बन जाओगे, and everybody will call you. नहीं हुए तो आप you'll be going into that dungeon by yourself. वो नहीं होना चाहिए कि there people put lot of life and effort on that, and then this shock absorber नहीं है, तो pretty much you're running on your own fuel.
So, how did you manage it out? Like, did your building your idea anyway affect your personal or professional life? What was the impact of it, like, in your personal life?
So that's a very good question, and I would say everybody should think about it. It does. So, in short, answer is yes.
Yeah.
It very much messes up with your life. You have to, especially when you're building idea. So personally, professionally speaking, it takes 14 to 18 hours a day. You have to be totally absorbed in the idea, and you're competing against China, US all the time. No matter what you do in India, it doesn't stay in India anymore, or any other country. So आपका जो है कि and because ecosystem is not there, so आपको totally involve होना पड़ता है, and that's the journey of everybody I know in our field. And it kind of messes up your disciplined life. You really have no life. You don't have Diwali, Holi, or any friends left, or weekends. You're always working. So I'm always in the lab for last several years. Building team is the biggest thing. टीम बनाना उतना ही बड़ा चैलेंज है जितना कि आइडिया आना चाहिए.
So, has there been any instances when you had to face minor setbacks during your journey?
How much time do you have? So when you talk about entrepreneurship, setback is like the majority of it.
Yeah. So how did you tackle?
So you tackle by laughing.
Yeah.
So that's what I do. I laugh a lot. It really helps because life at that level sucks a lot. Because आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, आपके पास टीम कई बार गड़बड़ हो जाती है, टेक नहीं काम कर रही है, डिवाइस नहीं कर रहा है, कहीं ग्रांट फंस गई है. So what you can do, de-stress. That's why we started running and all. You can exercise and eat well. So I hang out a lot. So I have
Yeah.
big social, like, but mostly my friends are in this area only. You go hang out with them, talk to them. Hey, look, this has happened to us.
Yeah.
Can you help? And then we just laugh it off. It's going to be challenging and just deal with it. What are you going to
Yeah.
do about it?
Like after so many setbacks you must have faced and all the problems during your journey, what was that constant motivation that drove you to continue pursuing this?
यार मैं बोलूँगी ऐसे नहीं है कि बस चले जा रहे हैं. It's actually like this.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like you're very high and sometimes within a day you're very high and then like कुछ गड़बड़ गया you're very low.
Yeah.
तो उस टाइम पे कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं होती है. You do have this thought कि why am I doing this?
Yeah.
I could have easier life. I could get a job. I could
Yeah.
become a professor. And all those thoughts come to you very regular basis. So you're very down, very up. जब when things work and like oh god and हमने दुनिया दुनिया बदल दी है हम ये कर लेंगे. तो I think it's very zig but when you trace back your trajectory you realize कि हमने यहाँ start किया था हम यहाँ पे हैं. तो I think the joy is that only. तो motivation ऐसे रहता है कि you've come this far, you have motivation. If you ask me personally, I'm a biologist.
Yeah.
And for me, I find it tremendously satisfying and exciting कि हम कुछ बना रहे हैं. Like हम अपने हाथ से बना रहे हैं, एक डिवाइस बनाया है जो रीडिंग दे रहा है. So for me, the fun part is things are working. Other things are not working, doesn't matter. The tech works. The tech keeps people going. वही thrill है. Success and बाकी सब तो they're a byproduct of it.
So any advice you'd like to give to the budding entrepreneurs of IT Delhi?
I hope, पहली बात तो I hope there are many.
Yeah.
As I hope, I wish. That would be my wish. So for that, very many people have to participate. The society has to take risk. So budding entrepreneur, I would say कि they should get a fair idea of what the situation is, what the problems are. एक AC रूम में बैठ के प्रॉब्लम नहीं पता चलेंगे. And try not to do like copy paste. कि एक Amazon है तो यहाँ फ्लिपकार्ट है, वहाँ पे उबर है तो यहाँ पे ओला है. वो सब we should try to be more risk taking and coming up with great ideas. Like we should be the first Facebook, we should be the first Google. वो एक मुझे लगता ही नहीं है कि मार्क जकरबर्ग इज एनी डिफरेंट देन यू और मी. तो वो एक स्पिरिट ना बच्चों में होनी चाहिए. और जिसको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करनी है, दे शुड नॉट बी इन इट फॉर मनी और फेम और like short term gains. They should be in it if they love it. Because see, entrepreneurship has this power that you can in the end become part of the solution. You can actually influence how the politics works or how the politicians think. You can tell them that look, you can make money or revenue through hardware based startups or startups. So this kind of ecosystem could generate jobs and self respect. तो बहुत फायदे बहुत हैं if we, but वही number बढ़ा चाहिए.
So as you were discussing before the interview about the cycle, the monotonous cycle that we get into, like graduating high school, then coming to college, graduating college, getting a decent job, settling down. So in amidst of this all, we are lacking somewhere in innovating new things. And what do you think is the role of the student community, we in not able to foster up these people who could launch the new innovations in the society, in the implementing them? Like most of us, we are very scared, like of taking that road which is not usually taken by everyone. So how could we improve on that?
तो पहली बात तो क्वेश्चन है कि क्यों. Like पहले सवाल है कि why am I scared?
Like if we look at our counterparts in USA, in Europe, like their students are actually encouraged. Like they are really encouraged to pursue these fields. But in India, the system is such, the community, the feeling is such that you're looked upon if you go in that field and fail, because people expect you to be that guy. Like we were talking about the Sachin Bansal, yeah, right? If you're not the Sachin Bansal, you're
nobody.
Yeah, you're nobody.
You die. खत्म हो जाओ. नहीं बट यार एक बात है देखो, I have to say कि at some point you have to take responsibility for who you are. So at IIT what we get like 17 and 17, 18 we get. तो 18 साल के बाद आपको बोलने कि that's me, and then you have to consider yourself as an adult. You are adult legally speaking. You could do whatever you want. You can have a bank account. You can do everything. Vote. तो पहली बात तो मुझे ऐसे लगती है कि you sit back. You sit back and analyze कि what is going on, and you have to say कि I am adult. Who am I matters. मेरा opinion matter करता है. You have to, after you analyze, you get the confidence that I, do some thinking part. So I always say thinking, you have to invest in thinking. You analyze all of it and then you perspective में डालो कि why these countries are doing good, and छोटे छोटे country है, forget US, Korea इतना अच्छा Samsung फोन बनाता है, like look at that. पिद्दू पिद्दू countries are doing so well. छोटे countries हैं, Canada has a smaller economy but they do a lot of innovation. Denmark, Finland, क्यों? Honest questioning करनी पड़ेगी कि where things are, and then you've done this analysis and you say okay, now I know I want to do this. So you should be confident कि मुझे जो करना है after BTech I could do another BSc and in a subject nobody values. And if you're good, have faith कि आप ऐसे job नहीं मिलेगा, you'll not be able to sustain yourself, sustain your family. I think this is also misnomer. आप कुछ भी अच्छा करते हो ना, if you write well, you talk well, kuch na kuch, like you can get really good options. And while I'm saying that, a lot of scenario in India has changed. Like there are stand-up comedians who are IITians.
Yeah. Yeah.
वो कुछ इंजीनियरिंग से लेना देना नहीं है, but he is like the top. Yeah. तो ऐसे ये नहीं है कि some people have made difference, they have shown examples and there should be very many. So ऐसा नहीं है कि thinking नहीं हो रही है, बच्चे नहीं कर रहे हैं, but yeah, I would say not at the scale जितना आपको चाहिए. कि अगर IIT में 80% students started discussing कि यार ये हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है, so probably it will be a better ecosystem. अभी भी मुझे जो numbers लगते हैं mostly like single digit में है कि जो students who are worried about environment, air pollution, how many students you see with mask, like really sad है कि how many students who are going out of their ways कि यार बहुत pollution है, we need to do something about it, कि stop classes, stop do some action. तो वो एक है कि जो thinking body है among student community, for whatever reason is still less. We're talking in single digits. I have also, आप मेरे लिए पूछ रहे थे कि how did I'm a biologist and how I'm in engineering. Yeah. A lot of my work involves engineering now, and I'm trying to understand how these things work. So from very early on, college maybe I used to hang out with these people who were like an outlier, who are trying to understand things, do things, crazy things. So when you hang out with them, you see the perspective, and you kind of have this, you have somebody to brainstorm. Yeah. Because अगर तेरे को कुछ idea है, you tell to somebody who doesn't appreciate what it is mean, तो वो आपको हमेशा company matters a lot. You always have to hang out or become Facebook friends, LinkedIn friends, because you can't find this circle always in IIT. So I'll finish by saying this. Lot of time in our society in IITs, a lot of emphasis on student body is and कि मैं GPA maintain करना है, internship करनी है, every summer I have to go to a bigger place. तो पूरे 4 साल आप इसमें ना जश्न में लगे रहते हैं कि बस स्कोर आना है, इंटर्नशिप करनी है, फिर मेरे को I'll build all of it and then will land me a job in a big company. इस सब में इक्वेशन में आप भूल गए कि इंडिया कहाँ है, जहाँ पे आप ये सब कर रहे हो वहाँ पे इंडिया कहाँ है और मेरा खुद का कहाँ है. So in these 4 years you have to also think कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, my personal growth कहाँ है. So I think personally also you have to be growing. And personal growth means mentally you're thinking about a lot of things other than work, and you're also thinking of society, your friends. You have to be sensitive about what are the needs of your friends. So many IIT students are going under depression. इसीलिए हो रहा है कि हम लोग ना आइलैंड बने जा रहे हैं कि हम बस we spend so much time on YouTube and that we are disconnecting. तो पहले तो I think 4 years rather than doing this internship madness, maybe spend a summer on yourself. Sit back, read, listen to music, exercise, make friends, hang out with them. क्या ये कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है गीता में कि भाई मेरे को ना इंटर्नशिप ही करनी है. ये मारा मारी लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर बच्चा है वो इंटर्नशिप कर रहा है, उसको ब्रेक ही नहीं मिल रहा है. तो दिस यू हैव टू समटाइम टेक टाइम ऑफ एंड spend time in personal growth. Read about good people, people who have been phenomenal, have done well, and know about them. And then you say, okay, I have done my exploration. Now I'm going to be part of this area. And then I can give you in writing. If you have done this, then when you end of it, you will feel कि यार मेरे को कुछ आता है, मैंने कुछ किया. And you will not be, dying of hunger or starvation. Enough रिसोर्सेज भी जुगड़ जाते हैं, आप कुछ ना कुछ करके अच्छा ही करोगे.
Okay. So that was great talking to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thank you.
coming.
I really appreciate.